Assalamu alaikum kids, and a very warm welcome in our today's video. So this is the lecture number 2 for chapter number 3, atomic structure for chemistry, and in this we are going to study the history of atomic structure, which is the discovery of electron. The topic is given on page number 43 till 45. Please do give a read. At the end of this video you will be able to discuss discovery of electrons, discuss the cathode ray tube experiment with illustrations in detail, and conclude the experiment done by J.J. Thomson. So the fundamental particle carrying a negative charge was discovered in 1897 AD by a British physicist called J.J. Thomson. He presented the model of an atomic structure as a plum pudding model. Now let's discuss the discovery of electron. The apparatus used for this experiment is called the discharge tube, or the neon sign, or the TV tube, as per the example of discharge tube. पहले ज़माने में जो टीवी आया करते थे, जो कि फ्लैट स्क्रीन और बिग मॉनिटर टीवी हुआ करते थे, उसके अंदर बेसिकली कैथोड रे ट्यूब या हमने CRT एज ए शॉर्ट फॉर्म सुना होगा कभी ना कभी. अगर नहीं भी सुना तो बेसिकली इस तरह की एक ट्यूब यूज होती थी जो कि पैनल के बैक साइड पे लगती थी और इसकी वजह से लाइटिंग होती है. This apparatus consists of a glass tube fitted with two metal electrodes connected to a high voltage source and a vacuum pump. So when the tube is evacuated and a current of high potential is passed between the electrodes, streaks of bluish light extending from negative electrode, that is cathode, towards the positive electrodes, that is anode, were observed. The rays appeared to travel in straight line from the cathode to the anode, causing the wall at the opposite end of the tube to glow where they strike. So these rays were called cathode rays, as it was arising from the cathode, that is the negative electrode. So Thomson showed that even though these rays travel in a straight line, they were deflected towards the positive pole, indicating that they contain negatively charged particles. As you all know that under the influence of electric field, the particles are attracted towards the opposite charges, that is positive are attracted towards the negative electrode and the negative particles are attracted towards the positive electrode. Next he discovered that when he placed the object in between and passed the rays, it produces shadow, which indicates that they travel in straight line. This glow indicates that when they hit the object, they produce glowing effect or fluorescence. Next, he placed a light pedal wheel in the tube and he observed that when these lights strike on that light pedal wheel, it caused them to rotate, showing that they are particle in nature, as well as they produce mechanical pressure, indicating that they possess kinetic energy. The charge to mass, that is E by m ratio of cathode particles, is 1.7588 into 10 exponent 8 coulombs per gram. So after the experiment was concluded, he named these negatively charged units as electrons. The electrons were obtained irrespective of the nature of the metal used as cathode or the gas in the discharge tube. This means that all of the elements contain electrons in their atoms, irrespective of the nature of those gases or those metals used as cathode. This proves that the electrons are constituents of all matter. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.